Hello students, Supriya ma'am here with English Literature of Class 4, Part 6. Students, today we will practice fill in the blanks. Here it is. Students, look at the top. What is written? Fill in the blanks with words from the story. So students, you have already read the chapter, The New Alarm Clock. You have to fill up the blanks with words from the story. So, let us do them. Number 1. Tina was always dash. You have to fill it up. So, in the blank, it will be late for class. I repeat. Tina was always late for class. Tina was always late for class. Students, copy it nicely in your classwork copy with proper date. Number 2. Ajay gave Tina a dash as a special treat. What did Ajay give? A Sudoku puzzle, right? So it will be Ajay gave Tina a Sudoku puzzle as a special treat. I repeat, Ajay gave Tina a Sudoku puzzle as a special treat. Number 3. The teacher asked Ajay whether he had any doubts in dash. What was the chapter in grammar? It was passive and active voice, right? So it will be the teacher asked Ajay whether he had any doubts in passive and active voice. I repeat, the teacher asked Ajay whether he had any doubts in passive and active voice. Number 4. The new alarm clock had dash puzzle pieces. Students, the new alarm clock had how many puzzle pieces? There were 4 puzzle pieces, isn't it? It had red, blue, yellow and green puzzle pieces. So, the new alarm clock had 4 puzzle pieces. I repeat, the new alarm clock had 4 puzzle pieces. Number 5. Tina had to write dash for coming late to school. What to write? An essay, isn't it? So, it will be Tina had to write an essay for coming late to school. I repeat, Tina had to write an essay for coming late to school. Students, copy them nicely. You should copy them in very good handwriting. Put today's classwork and today's date at the top. Today's date is 27/4/20. Students, are you all copying? Write in good handwriting. Your work should be very neat and clean. Come on, students, write nicely. Students, if you do have any doubt, write in comment section, then I'll try to answer them. Students, are you all copying nicely? So, that's all for today. Bye students. See you all tomorrow with the discussion of